Today we present to you ANENG's new electric bridge tweezers. Not only is the appearance accurate, but the feel is also very good. It can be measured after turning it on, and it has an automatic identification function. Of course, you can also switch gears and ranges manually. Switch open or in circuit detection. Enter the settings interface, and there are many functions waiting for you to discover. It can measure the chip resistance, chip capacitance, chip diode, chip inductance of these electronic components. So how accurate is it? The inductance of 9 microons measured 9.3 microons. The capacitance of 88 microfarads was measured at 88.8 microfarads. The capacitance of 225 microfarads measured 225 microfarads. 2.30 trillion ohms of resistance measured 2.30 trillion ohms. 31 trillion ohms of resistance measured 31.50 trillion ohms. The measuring diode does not need to distinguish between positive and negative electrodes. The forward voltage drop can be read directly. After the above tests, the accuracy of this bridge tweezers is still very good. With these bridge tweezers, we can directly measure the quality of electronic components. 0.3 volts represents on-road measurement, which can be measured without removing it. Let's measure this electrolytic capacitor. Remember to discharge before testing. Pay attention to this D value. The normal capacitance D value is less than 1. If it is greater than 1, it is possible that the capacitor is broken, so our capacitor is good. Let's measure another 47 microfarad capacitor. Because it is removed, it needs to be switched to 0.6 volt open circuit detection. A small capacitance can be switched to 100 Hz. You can see that the measurement results are very accurate. Next we measure the resistors on the circuit board. The measurement results can be said to be measured in seconds, which is very convenient and fast. This 3 ohm resistor, the measured result is also very accurate. It can also measure the inductance to determine the quality of the transformer. If its Q value is less than 1, it indicates that the transformer is defective. Let's measure another 20 milliamp inductance. The results are still not much different. Use the buzzer gear to detect whether it is on or off. The forceps touch the two ends. If there is a beep, it means they are connected. There are also diodes that can be measured. However, it can only measure between 0.1 volts and 0.6 volts. Looking at the overall measurement results, the accuracy of this bridge forceps is still very good. You can charge it after work, which is worry-free and convenient.